PineSol should not be placed directly in HVAC ductwork to spread scent or deter mice because it can harm system components and indoor air quality. PineSol is a cleaning product formulated with solvents and fragrance oils that can damage rubber seals, plastics, and coatings inside ducts and on components like the blower motor and evaporator coil if introduced directly. If the goal is scent distribution and mild rodent deterrence, a safer approach is to place small amounts of PineSol on absorbent materials such as cotton balls or cloth, and then enclose them inside breathable sachets or tightly woven pouches so no liquid escapes into the system. Insert those sachets only inside vents or return air grills that are easily accessible and not into the metal duct interior or onto filters, because excess solvent can volatilize and be drawn across mechanical parts or into living spaces. Limit the quantity to a few sachets per floor and check them daily for saturation or leakage, replacing them when scent fades to avoid buildup. Monitor household members and pets for any respiratory irritation and stop use if anyone experiences symptoms. And if you have chemical sensitivities, consider using plain dried peppermint or cotton balls with a very small amount of water-soluble essential oil approved for indoor use instead. If your objective is rodent exclusion, combine scent tactics with exclusion practices such as sealing gaps larger than 1/4 of an inch with steel, wool, and caulk, removing food sources, and using traps so you are not relying on scent alone. Common mistakes include putting liquids directly into vents or ducts, which risks corrosion and damage and can void equipment warranties. So always use contained sachets and never drip liquids into the system. Another error is assuming a strong scent repels mice long term. Rodents habituate to odors quickly, so pair scent methods with physical exclusion and sanitation to get lasting results. A third issue is neglecting air quality and human health concerns. Many cleaning products release volatile organic compounds that can trigger headaches or asthma, so use the minimum effective amount. Ensure good ventilation during and after placement, and remove sachets at the first sign of irritation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for exclusion work and HVAC servicing, and we also connect contractors with job opportunities related to pest prevention and duct cleaning. We maintain a discussion community where we and our members share practical tips, experiences, and vendor recommendations related to using scent approaches and sealing entry points.